How long does it take to develop a new product? These days, when the speed to market becomes more and more important, it's essential to understand how long it will take you to transform your idea into a market-ready product. In order to do that, let's look at what you're going to have to go through. Well, first, it's going to be the research and development stage. That's the funny and the cool part of the process where you turn your ideas into something people would be willing to pay for. That process is likely going to take somewhere between 3 months to maybe a year, in certain cases maybe even up to like 2 years, depending on the complexity and the scale of your product. After that, you would need to prepare everything for manufacturing your product. This process can take anywhere between 3 months to maybe even a year, again, depending on like what we're dealing with and what we're going to be making and what kind of tooling will need to be made and what kind of arrangements with the suppliers need to be put together and things like that. So once you place the manufacturing order, your first batch is being produced. And during that time, you will likely be busy with preparing your marketing collateral, listing your product on different platforms, and essentially getting all the graphics and content for launching your product. That process is likely going to take anywhere between 2 months to maybe a half of a year. So overall, the process is likely going to take around a year, maybe a year and a half. But you can do it as quickly as within 3 to 6 months, or it may take as long as up to 2 years and even 3 years in certain cases. So talk to your designers and engineers before starting your project to better understand the timeline and the expected completion of your project.